Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make this cocktail, the Electric Mirage. Super fun and tasty cocktail. As always, I'm going to leave the recipe in the descriptions for you. Alright, let's go! Alright, so for this cocktail we're going to need Hpnotiq, Limoncello, orange bitters, coconut water, and fresh lemon juice. I'm going to start by adding ice into a mixing glass. 1.5 ounces of Hpnotiq, 1 ounce of limoncello, 3/4 of an ounce of fresh lemon juice, 3/4 of an ounce of coconut water, and 2 dashes of orange bitters. We're gonna rim my Coupe Glass with sugar. I'm using a blue color. And we're gonna strain it. And we're ready to garnish. All right, let's taste it. Cheers. Oh, this is really good. I really like it. I'll give it a 9.2 out of 10. And that's how you make the Electric Mirage. All right, if you guys like the recipe, give this video a like. Also hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And as always, until the next one, cheers!